This is a question that's come up numerous times on my channel. It's how can I use two instruments on one track in Tracktion Waveform? And it might sound easy. You could just put the instruments side by side on a track and maybe it would work if both of them have MIDI through. But most of the time this doesn't work. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set this up so you can have two instruments or even more instruments on a single track. Right now, let's check this out. So I have two instruments on a single track. I have Massive and I have this Cherry Audio MG1 Plus. And you can see if I disable one, so I'll disable this one and we'll hear the MG1. We have sound there. And if I disable that one and enable Massive, we have sound from that. Now, if I enable both, we have nothing. There's no sound there. So what we need to do to get these both working on the same track is click on one of them and then hold down Control on your computer keyboard and click on the next one. And we can close down these user interfaces for now. Then you just want to right click on either of these and we'll go down to wrap these plugins in a new rack plugin. And here's our new rack plugin right here. You can see it's all wired up nicely for you. It should just work, right? Let's press play. Still not working. And that's because it's not wired up correctly in here. So we're going to have to wire this all up for ourselves. And the easiest way to get started with that is to go down to clear wiring and then click on clear all wiring. Now we have no wiring. Everything is brand new here. So the first thing that we're going to need to do is connect our MIDI. So we'll start with our MIDI input and we're going to go in there. But we can't just connect the MIDI output into the input of our next instrument. We have to connect a whole new cable to go to the input of that instrument. So it's like if you had a studio, this would be like a MIDI Y cable sending the same MIDI information to two different instruments across two different cable ends. And now we have to connect our audio outputs for each one. So we'll go left audio output from here to the left audio output there and do the same thing for the right. And now these are connected right here. We just have to connect the ends to our final destination, which is our master output at the end here. And if we press play, we should be able to hear this first instrument. That's the MG1 Plus. We can hear it. We know that our wiring there works. So now we just need to do the audio output cables from our second instrument. So we just connect it there and then down there. And let's hear if this works. You now have two instruments on one track and both are working. And you can add more instruments in here. If you want 4 or 5 instruments on here, you would just repeat the same process because all the wiring is separate for each instrument. And another thing that we can do is we can add effects in here if we really wanted to. You could have different effects for each instrument, or you could have them both plugging into the same effect. So let's look at how we'll do that. You can just right click in here, add plugin. And I'm just going to add a stereo compressor. Now we have our compressor here. It's not connected to anything. So I have to decide, do I want both of these to run into the compressor or do I just want one to run into the compressor? I'm going to try both of these running into the compressor. So we want to remove that cable that's going to the output there and we'll put it to the input of our compressor. And we'll do the same here with the right. And then we'll do the same with our other instrument. Go there and there. And now we'll connect our output. And now everything's wired up. It should work. Let's give it a test. And now let's open up the interface for our compressor, make sure that's working. And if you want to open up any of the interfaces for the instruments, you just click on them here and it's going to open them up. So I'll open up our compressor, hit play. Looks like it's working. And like with instruments, you can have more effects in here. And like I said, you can wire it up different. Maybe you want this to just run to a separate effect and this one to run to something different. You can wire this up however you want. Just think of it as a virtual studio, and these are the cables in your studio going to the output of your mixer. Now, become even more of a pro with the Tracktion Waveform Rack plugin by clicking the video on the screen. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. For Audio Tech TV, I'm Zane. Keep creating, and we'll talk soon.